Did you reset your Apple Watch only to find yourself stuck on the Locked to Owner screen? If so, you're definitely not the only one. It can be confusing, especially if you expected the watch to be ready to use after a factory reset. The reason this happens is because of Activation Lock. This security feature is linked to the Apple ID that was previously connected to the watch. Even after erasing the device, Apple may still require that account's credentials before setup can continue. The good news is that there are several legitimate solutions, depending on your situation. IBF Tool provides a structured workflow designed to simplify the recovery process for eligible users. Download and install IBF Tool, then pair your Apple Watch to your iPhone and connect it to your computer. Launch the IBF Tool and select your device type and the iOS version. Then click the right button. When it's done, you can set up your Apple Watch like brand new. No Apple ID, no password required. Congratulations! IBF Tool is available for both Windows and Mac OS, and also supports compatible iPhone and iPad models. Its purpose is to make the recovery process easier for legitimate users who are trying to regain access to their own devices. Those are some of the most common ways to resolve an Apple Watch that displays Locked to Owner. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing which solution worked for you. If you need additional assistance, you'll find our contact information in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.